Welcome to the SP Controls Pixie Plus Hardware Setup Guide. In this guide you will learn to assemble the single gang Pixie Plus wall controller with existing emitters including REL2 or 232IR emitters or motorized volume controllers. Here's what you will need for your hardware installation. First, the pxe-dcm Plus unit or Pixie Plus with the 232IR emitters or a Relay 2 emitter, a flathead screwdriver for assembling the screw terminals on the Pixie Plus, and 3 conductor cable or 18 gauge wires at any length up to 250 feet. Stranded copper wire works best, but you can also use the wires inside of a Cat5 cable. So when you chop off the heads of a Cat5 cable, take the wires out of that, just 3 of those wires would work out fine for assembling the Pixie Plus. To assemble the hardware, first remove it from the Pixie Plus blister pack. There's an assortment of buttons that it comes with. You want to go ahead and pick up the Pixie Plus and attach the buttons as needed. Then attach the plastic housing around the buttons once they're inserted. This will create a full single gang control panel that you can use for your wall. Next, remove the emitter from the plastic package that it came in. Notice that it came with an extra unit labeled with 6-volt ground and bus, same as on the emitter that came with the Pixie Plus. Here's where you will attach your wires. Insert the stranded copper wire into the housing. If you have specific colors for each end, match them up to bus, ground, and 6-volt. It's important that the wires do not touch when inserting them. Use the flathead screwdriver and screw them tightly into the housing. Once they're tight, pull on the wires slightly just to test to make sure that they're tight in there. Screw the other end into the 6-volt ground and bus of the emitter. Remember, the ends must match, so the housing of the first portion from 6-volt to 6-volt, ground to ground, and bus to bus. Use the flathead again to screw these screws into place. Additional emitters can be daisy-chained together on a single Pixie Plus system to control multiple IR and RS-232 devices. Just screw additional wires into the same sockets, 6-volt ground and bus, to the same 6-volt ground and bus on additional emitters. Give it a tug to make sure it's tight. Take the smaller end and insert it into the back of the Pixie Plus. Then attach the 6-volt power supply to the emitter. Only one 6-volt power supply is needed, even if using multiple emitters on a single Pixie system. Plug the power into the wall. You will see the Pixie Plus power up and power cycle. Once the units remain on blue, you'll know that the Pixie is ready for use. For more details, including videos on how to program the Pixie Plus, please visit www.spcontrols.com. Thank you.